Most people get this wrong. They think Paynor is just another quick cash app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Paynor is a full-featured financial platform combining early wage access, flexible installment payments, and spending insights to help you manage your money better. Here's how it works. First, Paynor allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. This is perfect for unexpected bills, emergencies, or urgent purchases without relying on high-interest loans. Second, Paynor lets you split eligible purchases into small, predictable installments, which can make budgeting much easier. The app also provides a dashboard that tracks advances, upcoming payments, and overall spending habits. Notifications and reminders ensure you never miss a payment, helping you avoid fees and maintain good financial habits. The downside, overusing Paynor can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments may accumulate fees, and relying too heavily on the app can mask underlying financial challenges. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or installments you can realistically repay. 2. Keep notifications on to avoid late payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to limit dependence on Paynor. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash or help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may pay more than they save. In conclusion, Paynor in 2026 is a flexible and convenient tool, but only if used responsibly. Track repayments, plan ahead, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for honest app reviews and practical financial advice to keep your money under control.